Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Monday, August 25th, 2025. Let's take a look at the economic calendar for today. Retail sales data from the New Zealand were better than expected, 0.5%, while the forecast was 0.1%. Nevertheless, they were still below the last number. Previous number was 0.8. Core retail sales 0.7% up from 0.4, so that's a pretty good number from the New Zealand. Employment level in Switzerland up from 5,512,000 to 5,532,000. We are waiting for the German business expectations, current account and IFO business climate index. This data are scheduled for release at 10 o'clock. At 10 o'clock as well, retail sales from Poland are scheduled for release. During the US session, we got the building permits scheduled for release at 2 o'clock, and then we got some speeches from the German Buba Balz scheduled for release at 3:30, and then we got new home sales again. Data from the USA at scheduled for release at 4 o'clock. So without any further ado, let's switch to the chart. We start with euro dollar. Euro dollar bounces overnight, bounces at the end of the Friday session. That's not even overnight, towards the level of 1.1743 after the technical support at the level of 1.1594 has been established. Let me just move this trend line, local trend line, internal trend line right now, so you can see that we've been bouncing from this trend line quite some time. Then there is a breakout, then there is a test, then there is movement towards the technical support, and now the rally higher towards the this is the high from the August 13th, 1.1731, marginal new high 1.1743, so like 10 pips higher. Nevertheless, if we zoom in, we can clearly see we got the shooting star on the 4-hour time frame chart as the last candlestick pattern, breakout lower towards 1.1702. Now this level will act as the technical support, and now the market is trying to break back above that trend line, back above the local technical resistance. In that situation, let's just move our technical resistance level back to the newest local technical resistance we got right now, established level of 1.1743 as the new target, intraday target for the bulls. And the market looks very bullish. Momentum jumps above the trend line. Now it's testing the trend line, and there is still some room to the upside. There is still room to the upside on the euro dollar. The next level is after the local swing high is violated, is located at 1. Let me just take a look. 1.1789, 1.1790. So the euro dollar up. British pound after the almost retracing 50% up as well. Let me just remove this Fibonacci retracement. We broke above the trend line, right? Established again some kind of a local high, 1.3543, tested the trend line. Look at this, very nice price action. We've been testing this trend line as well. It looks like the market wants to move back up again. Nevertheless, even if we place our, let's say, local technical resistance 1.3543, you can see that there are some bears that are selling into this strength. This is very specific candle, and this one doesn't actually looks bullish to me, despite the fact that the momentum is finally positive, right? So we bounce from the extremely oversold conditions up to the extremely overbought positions levels, so almost to the overbought levels. There's still some room to the upside, so maybe, just maybe, this level here, 1.3593, will be tested soon. However, after this big jump, there are so many untested levels that it looks like the bulls might have some pause on this market. I don't know how big and how long, but it looks like if we break back above the trend line, the outlook remains still bearish. Now, on the other hand, US dollar versus the Japanese yen goes down hard again. We went towards the level of 146.59. There is still some room to the downside, as you can see. Technical support at 146.23 might be the next target. Obviously, this level of 145.87 might be the next target, as well as room on the RSI is pretty big. So right now we back into the consolidation. We back into the range. Nevertheless, it looks like we are back below the 100 periods moving average. We are back below the trend line. Outlook remains bearish. Let's take a look at the US dollar index. Let's take a look here. There you go. The US dollar index has been trying to rally. It went up towards the level of 98.90. Nevertheless, it was rejected and quickly went down towards this level here. Technical support at 97.60, the swing low from August 13th, 2025. So that's the technical support, and now it's trying to bounce from this level after the big slump to the downside. So the situation here is that the US dollar might be moving lower towards 97.08 as there is some sort of the weakness all across the board of the early Monday trading for the US dollar, which means the gold should be rallying. There you go. Big weakness for the US dollar. Gold is the winner of this situation. We got the swing high. We got this trend line here. Let's keep it blue because we got already the orange one. So right now, price just stopped below the trend line. Hit the 3,374 technical resistance. Now if there is a breakout above the blue trend line up towards 3,408, well, we have the potential attack for the swing high located at 3,438. So there is still some room on the RSI. Momentum is strong, momentum is positive. Well, it doesn't actually look bad for me, but we need to break above the blue trend line. And the Bitcoin obviously was rejected from the 100 periods moving average and from the 117,000 technical resistance. After a very nice rally, we broke towards the new local low, and we keep doing this new local lows for quite some time. 110,688. This is the local technical support. Now we sit at the level of 111,942. So this is the technical support, but it looks very, very weak. So we might see some sort of the deterioration lower on the Bitcoin today, as is under the pressure. And last market we are going to take a look is the Ethereum. Ethereum went towards the almost towards the new all-time high, 4,955. Big candle here, big candle telling us that there might be some trouble. Big upper shadow, and now the market is back deteriorating lower, is back below the lows of the August 23rd. This is the Friday low, 4,658, and it's moving even lower. So even the Ethereum is weakening. Now the question is whether we are going to break above, we are going to test the 4,377. So the question is whether that will happen and the market will continue higher, or there is a breakout back down, because this looks like the ricochet from the weakening of the US dollar. It's not like a sustained movement, especially after this kind of a candlestick was printed here. So let's just wait for the next few days what will happen. For now, for today, the US dollar index is getting weaker all across the board. So all of the US rated pairs are going down, and euro dollar, British pound is going up together with the gold. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.